Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best roof sealant is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical components for any camper trailer owner, as a high-quality sealant acts as your first line of defense against the elements, preventing costly water damage, mold growth, and structural degradation, ultimately safeguarding your investment and ensuring comfortable, worry-free adventures on the road. Number 5. Gear AID Tenacious Tape Mesh Patches. Don't let a small tear ruin your outdoor experience. These patches offer an instant solution for rips and holes in various screens, requiring no heat for application. Applying them is incredibly easy. Just peel off the backing, press firmly, and they adhere securely. They work on all types of screens and synthetic fabrics. This lightweight repair kit is perfect for any adventure. Keep it in your gearbox, and you'll always be prepared for unexpected damage. Each pack contains 2 convenient patches. They are incredibly versatile, designed to fix a wide range of outdoor screens. From bug netting to tent mesh and even RV awnings, these patches have you covered. Gear Aid helps you repair your equipment, so you can head out on adventures with confidence. Our mission focuses on preserving and renewing your gear, making your outdoor experiences even better. What we like. This offers an instant, no-fuss solution for small tears. Its peel-and-stick design means repairs are quick and easy, even on the go. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable fix for minor mesh damage, this is your ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. Number 4. Liquid Rubber RV Roof Sealant, Brilliant White. This professional-grade sealant creates a flexible barrier, preventing leaks and water damage. It maintains its flexibility in all temperatures, keeping your RV's interior dry all year long. This elastomeric coating offers superior heat-reflective properties. It reduces heat absorption, lowering interior temperatures and saving on energy costs. This also extends your RV roof's lifespan. It's designed for various surfaces like EPDM, TPO, fiberglass, and aluminum roofs. It also works on skylights and vent covers. For enhanced adhesion on EPDM and TPO, pair it with the recommended primer. Achieve professional results in just one weekend with an easy 3-step system. No special tools are required, simply apply it with a brush, roller, or sprayer. This creates a brilliant white, durable waterproof membrane. It rolls on like paint, providing excellent coverage. For complete protection, use it with compatible lap sealant and seam tape on joints and transitions. This creates a watertight system for all camper roofs. This zero VOC, water-based technology safely seals roofs without harmful solvents. It's perfect for repair, maintenance, and waterproofing, ensuring weather-resistant performance. Store sealed containers above freezing for future touch-ups. We stand behind this product with 10 years of protection. It ensures long-lasting performance when applied as directed. What we like. This provides a robust, flexible waterproof membrane for your entire RV roof. Its solar reflective properties help keep your interior cooler, saving energy. If you're undertaking a full roof restoration and want a professional-grade, energy-efficient solution, this is highly recommended. What people say. Number 3. Better Boat Butyl Tape for RV and Boat. Don't wait for visible damage. Moisture can silently ruin your RV or boat for months. Use this tape to seal seams, windows, and hatches, stopping leaks before they start. Applying it is incredibly simple. Just peel the liner, press it firmly into place, and smooth it out. There's no need for special tools, mixing, or waiting for it to cure. With 36 feet per roll, you can often complete entire jobs without interruption. This eliminates potential leak points that come with splicing shorter tapes. It ensures a continuous, reliable seal. Unlike silicone or caulk that can harden and crack, this compound remains permanently flexible. It adapts to movement and temperature changes, maintaining its seal. This ensures long-lasting protection. For optimal application in cold weather, simply warm the tape in your hands for about 30 seconds. This makes it more pliable and ensures an even, secure seal. It's a simple step for a perfect finish. What we like. This tape creates an immediate, watertight barrier, stopping leaks before they become visible. Its peel and press application makes sealing seams and edges incredibly simple, without any mess. If you need a permanently flexible, easy-to-apply sealant for various surfaces that won't crack over time, this is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Please provide reviews to extract points. Cannot extract points without source data. Number 2. Marlin 100% Silicone Self-Leveling Roof Sealant. This product is engineered for lasting durability, eliminating the need for frequent recoating. It resists UV damage and ponding water, ensuring your investment is protected for years. Achieve complete coverage with just one application, saving you valuable time and money. It can be easily applied by brush, roll, or spray to various roof types. It forms a completely waterproof membrane that remains flexible and won't shrink. Use it to effectively repair existing leaks or prevent new ones from forming. Its bright white finish and high reflectivity significantly lower inside temperatures. This means you'll enjoy reduced cooling bills during the hot summer months. This self-leveling solution covers approximately 60 square feet per gallon. Its easy application by roll, spray, or brush means most projects can be finished in a single day. It adheres directly to a wide range of roof types, including EPDM, TPO, PVC, fiberglass, spray foam, and metal. This makes it a versatile choice for many applications. We stand confidently behind our products, offering comprehensive warranties for various applications. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are our priority. What we like. This sealant offers unparalleled durability with just a single coat, resisting UV and ponding water for years. It creates a completely waterproof membrane, significantly lowering interior temperatures. If you desire a long-term, maintenance-free solution that also boosts your RV's energy efficiency, this is a top contender. What people say. Number 1. Camco RV A Gasket Kit 25071. This essential 3-piece kit provides everything you need for a secure RV air conditioner installation. It includes a self-adhesive picture frame gasket and 2 foam leveling pads. You can rely on it for your next project. Its self-adhesive foam leveling pads come in different thicknesses. This ensures proper alignment and leveling for various camper air conditioner sizes. They adapt to your specific needs. The self-adhesive picture frame gasket creates a waterproof compression seal. It conforms to all irregularities, guaranteeing a tight, leak-free installation. This provides lasting protection. This kit offers a dependable solution for installing your RV AC roof unit. Designed to fit most rooftops, it ensures a secure and efficient setup across many models. It's a versatile choice for any RV owner. Thanks to its self-adhesive design for both the gasket and leveling pads, installation is incredibly simple. You can achieve a secure, long-lasting seal with minimal effort. This makes your task much easier. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for installing or replacing your RV's AC unit gasket. It provides a waterproof compression seal that conforms to irregularities, ensuring a tight fit. If you are installing or resealing an RV air conditioner and need a reliable, easy-to-install gasket solution, this kit is perfectly suited. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.